And I'm just going to move my images out of the way, or my image of my palette out of the way a little bit. Now there's some quite greeny blue colours down here on the breast. So we need to sort of try and get some of that down in here. And it's a bit hard to tell what's going on behind these white feathers, but I like to make it quite dark on those areas, just because then the white is nicely contrasted. And you can also see some pops of quite bright blue in here, so that's why I've just used just a little bit of white and pure blue. Now you might notice also the brush strokes that I'm using. So I'm doing kind of small little flicky strokes, if that makes sense, not long smooth ones, because we are trying to create the texture of the feathers as well. Now we'll do that kind of a lot more when we get into the detail layers, but it doesn't hurt to have the base coat as having some of that texture in there as well. Okay, now I think that's looking good. I might just mix a little bit more black into some of this area here, especially under here. And you can see just by taking black and mixing it on top that it picks up a little bit of the paint that I've already been working with. And you can see how that the brown and the blue kind of fade in together. So I'm not trying to have a sharp edge here. And then once that's all dry, we're going to come back over it with the brown. And we might even come back over that with a bit more blue.